Oh my gosh. Oh
Just
my.
waiting there for me, my friend. We're gonna smile to our camera on the right. Say hi. There you go.
What's up?
On my countdown, Drew, big head first dive, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh! 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 Whoa! Oh! Oh man! Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna get some photos again, so smile to our camera. There you go. On my countdown, you know the drill, hey? Head first
Yep.
dive. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh! 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 That is so sick. Look at this view. This is around, I think, 132 meters, over 400 feet that we just fell, and it's absolutely gorgeous here in New Zealand.
Oh, this is really nice.
Going backwards?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my
Job,
god.
mate.
Oh, this is a lot worse.
It's worse, isn't it? Alrighty, you can just wait there for now. We'll put this one down, and then you can get those heels nice and close. Beautiful. We are going to smile to our camera on the right again. So hi. Alrighty. Remember to stay nice and straight. You're going to keep your eyes on me for as long as you
Yep.
can. Touch your top. And on my countdown, yeah?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh.
You're on.
So Drew, you're going to be fully attached here, obviously.
Yep.
You will
Okay.
be sat on the seat, but that's not what's holding you, not yet.
Okay.
So if it slides up your back at any point, it's
Okay. Okay. Wow. See you, bro. See you, man.
Alright, Drew, one more photo to the right hand side. Nice one. You're going to stick that camera out nice and wide. Nice one.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! She didn't even tell me. Whoa. That is crazy.
So you're going to spin around and face me when you get there.
The footage will be so good.
Oh goodness.
That's not even.
Three, four on.
Oh!
What am I sitting on?
The little
See?
The same thing you said on last time.
You'll definitely lose it.
Oh, hey!
Alright guys.
Is she gonna tell us when we're dropping, or is she
Another
gonna no? Okay.
So bad.
You want me to
Let's
tell you
go,
when I'm
dude.
going to drop you?
Nope, don't even tell us. Don't even tell us. Let's go!
You recording?
No,
Yeah. We went backwards. Oh my God. Zai's got to do that.
I know.
That was amazing.
I don't know how people do that without hands.
Just gonna lean forward into it, okay? Remember, don't grab anything above your shoulders.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay, mate, looking out to the right, looking up at that camera, over on your right. There you go, mate, looking straight back down. Nice work, Drew. Eyes down on that river, dude.
Yes, sir.
Gonna go
Oh, no.
3, 2, 1.
That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Yeah.